Hey guys, welcome to another Toy Gets video. And today is not going to be like, you guys probably seeing this and like, what is today's video? Today we are going to be playing with a little bit of, this is not slime, it is actually some Model Magic clay or something like that. We just added some lotion and, you know, made it kind of soft and, you know, so today we're going to be doing a little craft or something. I don't recommend you try this at home, but, you know. We're at our home, and we kind of just wanted to do something fun, and
instead of playing Roblox because we need a break.
And we also want to bring some dolls in here and stuff. So, you know, so let's get it started. Be right back. So we are back, and as you can see here, we have Abby from my what is it called? Princess Academy series. Princess Academy series should be a video, an episode should be coming up pretty soon. You know, I've been running out of ideas. I know it's only been like the second episode or something, but you guys gotta give me ideas how much you want for it and stuff. And I do have a really good idea, but you guys will just have to wait and see. So instead of me just squishing it with my fingers, we're gonna have Abby kind of squish it and stuff. Ooh, wait, it's not focusing. That's so satisfying to me. Look at the hand marks. Oh, ooh, so squishy. And like, guys, I don't even know her. Ooh, that's so nice. And now for the yellow one. This one you can't see because the camera's not going to focus on it, but it does have pumpkin spice in it and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I think
it smells like it, but also what's blocking it is the clay smell.
Yeah, the clay smell kind of just
That's
like ruins
what I
it.
don't like.
I'm trying to focus the camera. It doesn't want to focus. Come on, focus.
Unfocusable.
Yeah. It's not gonna focus, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm trying to make it focus. There we go. No, it focused for like 2 seconds. You saw that, right? You saw that. Oh, girl. I'm trying to focus it. It's not focusing. Yep. So, yeah. So today I thought we... Ooh, don't want to mix them together. Today I thought we'd, you know... Just, you know, pop. I don't know what this is going to do, but I have some really cute, like heart ice cube things or whatever. So I thought I'd put some in there, freeze them for a little bit, and see what they turn out like. So let me get the mold. So here's the mold. I think it looks very cute. I just found this in, I don't know where I got this from. I had this like from years. It's been like in my cabinet or something like that.
Day.
Yeah, it looks like for Valentine's Day. I know Valentine's Day is not coming up, but this is pumpkin spice, and you know, smells really good, and you know, Halloween is all about pumpkin spice, so, or at least it is. I'm gonna be doing a lot of Halloween stuff for Halloween, you know. So, yep, here we go. I'm gonna try to hold it, but like, I might just have to put it in, and then I'll be back with you. So we have the pumpkin spice right there, and ooh, the red one is probably my favorite. So yeah, Princess Play's gonna put this in. And Princess Play hasn't been filming on her channel just for a little bit, you know, but she is gonna.
I need ideas.
Yeah. She needs ideas from you guys, but she is going to be doing a video on her channel too.
I'm gonna put some more.
Yeah, don't put all of it in, because, you know, we don't know how this might, like, damage our clay or whatever.
Because we can pop it in the freezer.
Yeah, just for, like, a couple of minutes, and then we'll be back.
Doesn't matter. Yeah,
so, I'm just going to put my red one in, and then we'll be back when we're popping it in the fridge.
I have art.
Yeah, this is how much we kind of ended up with, because, you know, it got too sticky. This one, I added a little too much lotion. So
I went overboard.
Yeah, so, you know, I think we might.
I want it to be sticky, so don't judge us.
Yeah, we want it to be soft, but it is kind of sticky, and this one is kind of less sticky because of the pumpkin spice. But, you know, anyway, so we're gonna try to pop these, see if you could see here,
Trying to get it out.
yeah, it doesn't look like it's coming out that much.
It is, but it's just gonna take a while.
But yeah, if you're wondering what we're doing this on, we're not doing this on a platform or whatever. Nah. We honestly just opened like a pencil case, like a hard one. Put this side that's supposed to close it, just like use the platform and stuff. And then this side was just full of beads because beads spilt and we couldn't put them anywhere, so I had to put them in here, and we were just like crunching them in and stuff.
So,
See?
wait.
Alright.
I'm gonna go again with my finger.
Yeah. And also, after this video, make sure you do watch Princess Plays video because she does some really cool stuff, and she kind of plays Roblox more than I do, but you know. And she
Because I have a lot of friends.
Yeah, she plays more friends than she plays more games than I do. She plays kind of more games. I kind of play Royal High, but I will be doing some Bloxburg live streams. So you know. And you know, some just other games and stuff. But yeah, we gotta pop these in the fridge because and we'll be back with you. So guys, I just popped them out of the freezer. And here are the end results. They feel kind of hard.
Let me
I feel
try.
like, alright, so we're gonna take them out and be right back. So I just took it out and guys, it doesn't stretch. Here, Princess Play, gotta stretch it for me.
Okay. Doesn't stretch at all.
Whoa! It needs to like melt down. Like I feel like there's like water or rubber in it and it needs to melt down. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and it was a random video, but
No.
bye guys,
Sorry, it was short.
make sure you guys check out Princess Play's channel, and bye!